Alright students, today I'm going to teach you how can we multiply two complex numbers, right? Something very interesting. So I'll write multiplication of two complex numbers. Complex numbers. Well, everyone knows complex number can be expressed in the form of z is equal to a plus bi, where this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. You also call it complex part. Let's say we have two complex numbers, z1 is equal to a plus b iota, and we have z2 is equal to c plus d iota, right? Somebody says multiply these two, z1 into z2, very simple. That will be equal to a plus b iota into c plus d iota, right? But it's not as simple as you multiply x plus y into, maybe l plus m. So there's a formula for this, and how this formula comes, we can understand in one of the later videos. So this is equal to multiply a and c. Once again, what did I say? Multiply a and c, right? This comes AC, A and C, minus, then multiply B and D. First with third, then second with fourth, B and D, B, D. Well, students, this AC minus BD, honestly speaking, this AC minus BD is the real part of the resulting complex number. Remember, just like integer into integer is always integer. If you remember, a rational number into a rational number is always a rational number. Just like a natural number plus natural number is always a natural number. And as well as natural number multiplied by a natural number is also a natural number. Right? Similarly, we can say that complex number divided by a multiplied by a complex number is also a complex number. Well, every number is a complex number. Need not say that. But rational numbers, irrational numbers, complex numbers, every number is a complex number. And this world is a complex. So AC minus BD is a real part, plus obviously it has the imaginary part also. And that imaginary part, how you get, first you go outside and then you go inside and you add them. Once again, how you get the imaginary part of a complex number? First you go outside, like before coronavirus, you were outside, and after coronavirus, you are inside. Am I right? Well, first you have outside pleasures of life. When you are satisfied with them, or when you have blessings of God, you get inside pleasures. That's the most important thing. So A into D, AD plus BC. Guys, this is the resulting complex number. We can name it Z3. Am I right? So I'm going to do a quick multiplication of two complex numbers, right? Let's say I have a complex number 2 plus 3 iota, that is Z1, into, let's say, 4 plus 2 iota. This is Z2. So this will be again equal to some other complex number. Let's say that is Z3. Now Z3, every complex number has real part and it has imaginary part. The real part will be what? AC minus BD. Plus it has imaginary part I into AD. First outside and then we go inside. All right. So how do we do it? So this is equal to A into C. A into C. 2 into 4 minus B into D. B into D. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. This is the real part of the resulting complex number. Plus iota into first outside, then inside. 2 into 2 is 4. Inside 4 into 3 is 12. Right? Here you get the resulting complex number, guys. And that complex number is 2 into 4 is 8 minus 12, that is minus 4, right? 8 minus, I'm so sorry, done it wrong. This is 8 and this is 3 to the 6. Am I right? Let's see again. It was AC minus BD. AC 8 minus BD is 6. So 8 minus 6 is, I'm so sorry, 2. This is the real part of the resulting complex number. 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 16 iota. So the resulting complex number Z3 has 2 as the real part and 16i as the imaginary part. All right. You can also practice this, like let's say 2 Z1 you have as 2 plus 3 iota. Now you can do some good exercise for yourself. Find its multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Now multiply the complex number with its multiplicative inverse. It should give you what? It should give you 1. And what is that? Multiplicative identity. In the next video, I'm going to prove that if I multiply a complex number with its inverse, it gives you multiplicative identity. And what is the definition of multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is basically 1 plus 0
Zero.
I. Wow, thank you very much.